Well, time to check on my 3D print. It's almost halfway done.
Is that so? Time for his project to go to waste.
I jinxed it. Oh well, might as well just wait for the power to come back on and print the rest of it on a new print. Then glue the two halves together.
Okay, who the hell threw a water balloon at the power box? Get me the rice.
Oh crap, I was just about to microwave some leftovers. Guess I'll have to cook them with the fireplace.
Oh, they are having a little party, Not for long. Time to crash that party. Literally. Oh crap, the cops are coming. You're going back to jail, you toxic waste barrel. Hey, that's what Null called me, you Hey, put me down, you freaks.
Well, guess we better look into a backup power generator. Darn it. Now the internet's out. Wait. I'm still getting service on my cell phone. Maybe I can call the Dr. J 2006 for advice.
Hello?
What's up, Doc? I was just wondering, what backup generator do you have?
I use Generac. I bet the perfect one for your home is a 15 kilowatt Guardian series.
Thanks, Dr. J.
No problem.
Have you seen VibraPad anywhere?
No, I have not.
Mom, Dad, I know how to solve our power problem.
How?
With a backup generator.
Don't we already have one of those?
Yeah, but that one just powers our military base. We need one for our house too.
Oh, well then let's get one. Also, have you seen VibraPad?
No.
Do you sell Generacs?
We have free offers for Generacs.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.
It says here that we can power it with natural gas.
You mean like this?
Look, it says here that we can use propane or diesel. It's highly recommended that we use natural gas since we have a natural gas pipeline to our house.
I'll go ahead and place the order now.
Of all the imps in hell, it's for him that I fell. Oh, Millie. Are you
2 more power outages in the last few days. What the hell is going on? There hasn't even been any severe weather recently.
Well, PSP did just approve alcohol use in TSM. Maybe there are some drunk drivers hitting the poles every now and then.
I guess that's possible. Though I also heard that a new character came to town recently and I heard she likes driving erratically. Not necessarily drunk driving, just reckless driving.
Hello, are you Vibrator?
Yes, and are you the Generac dealer?
Yes. I came here with a Generac unit in the back on our truck. It's a 15 kilowatt Guardian series that was recently restored after we stole it from a house that was leveled. We also got a Nexus smart switch.
Cool.
We also had the gas manager turn off the gas line to your house, which will make it safer to do our work. Alright boys, let's get this Generac installed.
This is the 5th one this week. Yeah, I wonder WTF's going on.
Okay, time to test it. Alright, everything checks out. Enjoy your Generac.
Thank you.
Oh, and one more thing. The Generac will start up every week for 10 minutes for a weekly warm-up so that the engine has no trouble starting up when it's needed. And there is an option to make it use less gas when it does its tests. Coolio.
Wait.
Time to hijack this Generac. This is gonna stink for him. Haha.
Who the fluke are you? I'm your nice twin.
And I'm your evil twin. And I'm your evil twin. Not on date night.
Wait. Why isn't the Generac starting? Ah, here we go. Someone tried to sabotage our generator.
There's no other way to disconnect the gas. Well, except... Yeah, I'll save that for another day.
What the hell? I thought we were done with that. Everything looks fine. The generator seems fine. The gas line seems fine. Are we not getting any gas? No flame. Well, better call the gas company.
Hello?
Hey, are you guys out of natural gas? Because I'm not getting any.
Let me check.
That's artificial gas, you heard.
Yeah, sorry about that. No. You either have a bad gas line or a valve shut off. Did you check your gas appliances?
Yes. I tried the gas stove and it wouldn't start. Not even our Generac will start. Sometimes backup power needs backup power.
Let me go check the valve center and check if one of the valves turns on your natural gas line. Oh my, there are a few. Did it work?
No. Oh my god. What the hell happened?
IDK something just blew up. Luckily no one I cared about was hurt. Okay, let me try another valve. Did that work?
Yes.
Good. Now I gotta find out who caused this gas outage.
Okay, now let's turn the Generac back on.
This is what happens
What is it, babe?
Look,
Breaking news. An under construction house's natural gas line unexpectedly turned on and blew up. Firefighters came to the scene to put out the fire. The owner of the property said that they were gonna get a Generac and a few gas appliances. And in other news, an old gas flame in our park has come back on after 10 years of being out of service. And now everyone gathers around it every now and then to watch it burn. Dave replied. I got a notification that the Generac said RPM sense loss. I came back and the Generac is still going strong. Well then, there is one more thing I haven't sabotaged. The smart switch. Ouch. That hurt on so many levels. That's it.
Holy shit. Glad that fire isn't over here.